In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the common issue of Steam games taking too long to patch in 2025. If you're an avid gamer, you know the frustration of wanting to dive straight into your favorite game, only to be stopped by a seemingly endless patching process. But fear not, because I've got a solution that should streamline this process for you, making it quicker and much less frustrating. The first step on our journey is to open Task Manager. You can do this by clicking on the search bar or pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus ES key on your keyboard to bring it up directly. Once Task Manager is accessible, we need to search for Steam processes. Finding Steam in this list is crucial because it allows us to take control over any issues slowing down the patching. After locating Steam in Task Manager, right-click on it. You should see a few options pop up. Go ahead and click on End Task. Doing this will temporarily close Steam, helping to clear any hiccups or hangups it might be experiencing. Next, let's head back into Steam. Open the app again and keep your focus on the top left corner where you'll find the Steam menu. Click on it and then select Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. The Settings menu has a host of options, but for our purposes, you'll want to click on Downloads. In the Downloads section, there's a really useful function called Clear Download Cache. Go ahead and click on that. Clearing the cache can untangle any buildup of data that's causing these disruptions in patching games. It's like hitting the reset button for downloads, which often resolves slow patching issues by refreshing your download interface. Now let's shift our attention to organizing the games themselves. Head over to your library in Steam. It's important to ensure that the game in question is selected for the next few steps. Right-click the game that's giving you trouble and choose Properties from the options. Within the game's properties, find the section labeled Installed Files. In this area, you have the chance to verify the integrity of your game files. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This unique feature will automatically check and replace any missing or corrupted files that could be causing patching delays. And that's it! These steps should greatly improve the speed of patching on your Steam games. By closing unnecessary processes, clearing the cache, and verifying file integrity, you should experience a much smoother update process. I hope this guide was helpful, so you can spend less time patching and more time playing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials.